over the kingdom in the land of Flourish. And just like any other king, King Elias tried to do everything he could to protect his children. But for Princess Idiotu, her curiosity and lust for the unknown often get the better of her. If only she hadn't asked on her fateful day.
Father, what lies beyond the boundaries of Flourish?
Oh, my sister, the curious cat. There she goes again, asking questions.
My dear Adiatu, for as long as you have lived in this kingdom, you have always allowed your curiosity to get a better part of you. As I have told you and your brother, only evil and danger lie beyond the boundaries of this kingdom.
Yes, but you've only told me a fairy tale version. Father, I really want to know what lies beyond there.
A coldness that not warmth can touch. A darkness that brings your darkest fears to light. And a torture that is louder than any cry of plea for mercy. Adiatu, you have to read the book of life and pay attention to my instructions.
Understood, Father.
But you don't have to worry. I mean, in this kingdom, all that you could ever needed has been provided already. You don't have to venture outside. There is nothing there for you. See, all that you have is here. Don't pay attention to all those unnecessary things.
The king's answer satisfied the princess, but as the years began to pass, Idiotu grew more and more restless.
Father, a voice cries out to me. To
What
go beyond
voice
the boundaries
again?
of
What
Flourish.
voice?
I know I must go.
Are you the only one hearing things? Are you the only one in the kingdom?
Adiatu, what voice? Tell me, what voice?
I've been hearing voices in the courtyard.
It could be maybe one of the gardeners.
No, this voice is different.
Adiatu, you cannot pay attention to the voice of a stranger. It's evil.
Father, I am a prisoner here.
A prisoner? Did you just call yourself a prisoner? Do you know what prisoner means? Like Father said, everything that you could ever want or desire is in this kingdom. If you leave the confines of Flourish, there will be consequences. I have warned you. Our Father has warned you. Father, if she says she wants to go, then let her leave!
No, Adiatu. All that I have always done is to protect you. Why? Because of the love that I have for you. Adiatu, you may call it excess or reckless love, but I do all this for your sake. You cannot go out there. It is only pain and anguish that is there, and in here, Adiatu, you lack nothing.
Yes, Father.
But, of course, Idiotu still couldn't understand the desires of her father. She believed there was something much more grand beyond her kingdom, something wonderful her father was withholding. Her father's laws just made the desire in her heart burn brighter, and one day, while she was walking near the courtyard, she heard a familiar voice. Jagger, a skillful character who can make even the strongest to fall.
Princess Adiata,
Who's that? Who goes there? Show yourself.
your wish is my command, my princess.
What do you want from me?
I don't want anything from you. I just want you to have all your heart desires.
But my father.
Your father is a wise man. He knows if he forbids you to go to outside of this world, you will not listen to him anymore. And besides, look at you, my princess. I must say to you, there are so much delights that awaits you outside of this kingdom. On one condition. Very, very simple. You just have to travel outside of this world, and all is yours. The world is at your feet, my princess.
I'm curious, but here I'm safe.
I'm from outside of this world. And I can tell you, I've never been more safer. Do I look harmful to you? I look dangerous to you.
You actually look quite nice.
There you go. My princess, come away with me.
Welcome. Come to the world. Come to the world. Welcome. 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 Welcome.
Oh, not yet.
Welcome. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome.
Take her away.
Welcome.
Take her away.
My father!
Sing for me a song.
No, I'll never sing in a strange land!
Dance.
Sing.
So, with Jagger's sweet words, the princess was deceived, enticed, and trapped. The king was angry that the princess disobeyed, but even more distraught because his daughter had been taken.
What are you looking for, my dear?
My daughter, your sister.
Is she, for all I care, she may be enjoying herself? Why are you so worried, dear king?
I haven't seen my daughter for months.
But you
And
can see me. I'm your son as well. What? Why are you so worried, father? Don't be worried.
You asked me not to worry. Your sister, we haven't seen her for months.
She's
And
on
you're
a
asking me not to
journey.
worry.
She traveled. Why are you so worried as if something has happened to her? You have a kingdom to rule over. My dear king. My king.
What could have happened to her?
Nothing.
What could have happened to her?
Nothing. She wanted to go, she's gone.
I dare to,
Where?
my prince.
Where is she?
No, the people from the other village.
What people?
They told us that she has been taken by Jagger.
Jaga!
Yes, my prince. Yes, my king. Yes, my king.
How did Jagger get into this kingdom? When did it come into this kingdom? Dad!
My lord.
Get me my hammer.
Wait. No. My king, what is going on?
I am going to get my daughter back.
For what? Do you know where Jaga is? Do you know how far that kingdom is and how dangerous the road is?
How can you talk like
My
this?
king,
We are talking
please.
about your sister.
I
have
here.
to go.
You have your subject. Look at everyone
Please,
around
my
that
king.
you can get careful. Why
Please,
are
my
you going
king,
to...
don't go.
I
We
have
have
to
lost my sister. We cannot afford to lose you, dear king.
I have not lost my daughter.
Please, my
I am
king.
going to get my daughter back.
Please, my king,
You
don't go.
send the cards. You don't
Please,
have to
my
go
king, don't
yourself.
go, please.
You don't need any saving. You are saved here already.
Don't risk
She
your
needs
life.
saving. I have to go.
My king, please.
I have spoken. Let the drums of war begin.
Drums of war!
Jaga, I have come in a name that is above every other name. You had the audacity, the temerity to come into my kingdom and take the princess.
There's no shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. No walls you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. No shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. No wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, by still I'm found, leaves the 99. I'm so sorry. I'll never disobey you again.
Abiatu, Dad, go to the kingdom, get the royal dancers, tell them to be ready. There is rejoicing in the house. There is celebration in the house. Abiatu. Abiatu is back. Dad, get the royal apparel, and please clothe her in the royal apparel. Abiatu. There is rejoicing in the house. I don't know what you have lost this year. I speak over your life. You will never experience loss again. I speak over your life. The joy of restoration shall be your portion. And as you go into the new year, may you never experience any form of loss again. Adiatu, I'm glad you're back. Oh, let's go and have our feast. The celebration, let it continue.